Hi, I'm Celine Perkins from Perkins Dry Goods. Welcome to the Let's Be Real studio tour. I can't wait to show you where I create. Well, here we are at the entrance to my studio. It's in the lower level, which is another word for basement. I've got my sewing machines set up here and a design wall, and then my desk area and ironing station, work table. I love these drawers from IKEA. They're all full of like fat quarters and that kind of thing, half yards maybe. And then this is my cutting table, and I've got one of my new patterns for spring laid out here, the quilt. It's called Frosty Friends. It's a 9-part block of the month, or just a quilt you can make. And then ruler rack, storage. Right now it's pretty tidy because I just finished wrapping up all the spring things. And then here's another design wall that I use. And this quilt is called Simple Simon, and it's also new for this spring. It has multiple sizes. So that's pretty much it for where I spend most of my time. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Happy quilting. Bye.